Okay, welcome back to Demand Trade. This is Demand. Today is April the 7th, 10:37 a.m. 10:37 a.m. PST. So we see a double bottom and RSI divergence, and so it boosts up. So today RSI divergence is working, and it boosts somewhere back to the ENA 200. And then we see, okay, when it gets to here, the RSI is here. And when it gets around the safe price, then the RSI is higher. So another RSI divergence, and it falls some here. So I go short around here, and get trigger like stop loss by this sudden like a huge bullish trend. So probably I need to make a stop loss somewhere rather than add a complementary order, because when I set the order here, then I actually set a complementary order here. So I was thinking maybe it arrives somewhere here, it will retest to here. Then I can get out with a micro profit. But it does not work out during this sudden, like no retest. You can see there's no retest with this sudden trend with no retest. This retest is what I'm feeling good. Then even I guess I get the wrong trend, then I can get back. I can leave the trade with some micro profit. But here you see there is equal high here. But what about here? Here, RSI is obviously way higher, so some distortion. But at this time, we need to wait until we see the downtrend is formed. For example, somewhere around here. So I get short here. But now for this candle, we need to see an engulfing downward engulfing candle to the bottom. We'll see. For now, it's just retest. Keep in mind this, there is no retest around here. So a huge fair value gap. So maybe you retest in the 21. We'll see. We'll see the complexion. We'll see the complexion of the candle here. So I lose like 843 for the first trade. Oh my God, what's going on? Now it's bullish bull trend. So I'm not looking for the short. I will see if we retest to somewhere around here and show other acceptable like upward engulfing, then I'll go long from there. By the way, minor engulfing like this is the most dangerous because it can easily lure you. Okay, it's already engulfing and rush into the trade, like rush into a conclusion. Like I go short trade here. Maybe I just need to leave the trade out here. Then I only lose like couple like 2 or 300 rather than 800. Let's see, 15 minutes. Okay. It's equally rejected around here, but who knows? Who knows? It's currently uptrend. What about? Okay, it's actually break the trend line. It break the trend. It breaks the trend line. It looks like, hey, this is a double bottom. It breaks the trend line and retest, and retest, and retest. So maybe I can set a limit order here. I guess it will never get here. Oh, I hate this. Then there's no way now to operate. If this is engulfing, then probably I will try some small position because from 1 hour, it looks like, hey, this is a trend line and you break the trend line and retest something. Or maybe I should wait until some engulfing happens here. On 15 minutes, some engulfing. Okay, engulf, the last minute, engulf, remain engulf. So this is the liquidity speed. Let's see. Yeah, it's a liquidity speed ends up. So retest this FVG. Let's see. How it reacts to ENA. Maybe I should not be that greedy. Hmm. I just set to the order block and the ENA 21. Let's watch the compression of this candle. Look at yes, yes, it's still engulfing, and now it retest the FVG. Maybe it will rebound. I'm not sure. Maybe this is not a good place to trade. Look at here, because it just retest FVG. Oh, it looks like some looks like the trade copier is malfunction for the first trade, so I don't lose that much. I'm not there to go short from here because it just retest the FVG. As long as it's still guarded by the ENA 21, it's still good. So wait for the hour engulfing somewhere around here between ENA 200 and ENA 21. Oh, I don't like this, like no retest something. Go straight up, go straight down. See this? There's no retest. It just keeps falling down and go up, go down at this range. This is sideways volatility. What can I say? But it looks like with this double bottom, there's a huge chances that it keeps going up for the whole day. I don't know. I will look for the downward engulfing somewhere around here from on 1 hour chart. Yeah, somewhere around here. Then this looks like a middle, somewhere in the middle. Then I will not trade. Because you can think, okay, if we go to here, engulf this one, so the downtrend starts. But on the other hand, you can think, okay, engulf, it just retest the FVG, so it can go up. So either way is possible. So I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna wait for the more confident setup, a better setup. So if you go up, I will wait for it goes to somewhere. It shows the downward engulfing somewhere around here, underneath this trend line. Or maybe I should adjust a little bit. Yeah, align this two, align this one. Yeah, we can see this is RSI divergence. Anything? No divergence. No divergence. No divergence. Okay, this is a divergence. So it boosts up. Okay, let's see. 15-minute chart, the RSI divergence on 15-minute chart is more confident. Even 5-minute chart, we can see it already shows the RSI divergence. I mean the price action is at the same level, right? But a little bit, slightly below this one. But the RSI is way higher. So this is the RSI divergence. So I wait until it engulf this one somewhere around here. Then I go short and here. And I got stop loss. Even you do everything correct. But on 5 minute, we still see the RSI divergence, something here, which aligns like oh, in 15 minutes, there's still like RSI divergence. See the price rise, the RSI is here. but the price action is around here, and RSI is obviously higher than here. So whenever this happens, that means the upward momentum is pretty strong, pretty strong. Okay, reverse setup. We'll see. And you know what? We can reduce the size. Whenever this happens, that means the upward momentum is pretty strong. Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe I should quit because at the last minute, see when is if it remains engulfing, it remains uptrend. Otherwise, I might probably need to quit the trade. Oh my God, I get pushed back for so much. That's not a good sign. Like, okay, the bearish is so strong, something. I'm expecting if it's sideways. If it's sideways, then this one is arriving at here, something, and retest here. But at the end of 5 minutes, it retest here. But it arrive only arrive this and get rejected, which means the buyers are weaker than the seller power. So I would like to see if this shows some engulfing, then maybe I should go short somewhere around here. Let's wait for the completion of this candle. Oh, holy. We'll see. We'll see the compression of this candle. Because this is not a sideway. If it's sideway, the buyers are strong. Then with this one, and this one should build a full like a reverse setup. But answer is no. It only gets here and get rejected. This is not a good sign. So we'll see if this one, if this candle engulf to the downside. Maybe I should go short somewhere around here. But now it's still sideways around here. So too early to conclude. Too early for a conclusion. This is something like this. I should realize that this is the sideway. So don't make decision during sideway. But even I don't I wait for the breakout to follow, then I cannot catch out this trend because you know what? I will probably wait for the compression of this. And there's no retest to get me on board and just go short. Go to the moon directly. So difficult to trade. Go to the moon directly. We'll see. Mm. So this is in the middle, cannot conclude anything if we see this channel. God, Jesus. I go short at the bottom. We'll see. So when can we go short? Break, how is channel, and then we test the lower bound and something. That's where we can go short. Where we can go long? Maybe it's difficult to say long because on a big time frame, we would like to see it gets to here and still go short. Go long, we can see a verified verify resistance here. So okay, get rejected. So still sideways, not engulfing. And channel. Slightly engulfing. Slightly engulfing to the downside. So a little bit dangerous. So it's still in the middle of this channel. No trade. Oh, mm. ES aligned to the top, but NQ does not. Something. We'll see. This is only the first mini. We'll see the last mini. We'll see the compression. If we can create a lower low. So it's still above ENA 200 and ENA 21 keeps rising. So even it shows something like this, cannot go short. Oh, for ES, ENA 21 has already crossed ENA 200. So when ENA 21 up and down go around ENA 200, that's where we should not trade because that means the trend is sideways. Or maybe we can trade with the logic of sideways. See if you can engulf, then I can go, I can try along here. If you can really engulf, I can try along here. But if you cannot engulf, then it's still sideways. Okay, last minute. No, it's still like retest the FVG and still above ENA 21. Still above the ENA 21. So let's wait. At least I should see a engulf, a 15-minute range engulf this green, this bullish candle to form a reverse theta. Now we have to see a star, a strong bullish and star and some engulfing. Then I can go short from there. It does not look easy. Engulf here and retest and downward engulfing. Yeah, so do not try this one because here it can be bounced back anytime. But if we get bounced back like upward engulfing, then we can try the long here. Mm. Okay, yes, as a relatively big downward candle, that is not easy to engulf. But well, it arrived at unit 21, so we'll see. For now, it looks like it gets rejected at ENA 21 or order block. So we'll see. Comes from RSI, it arrives at the same level and the price is higher. So there are chances that it goes up. But we need to wait for the upward engulfing candle to confirm. Hmm. Okay, good thing is this candle is not huge, so it's easy to engulf. Let's wait for the next candle. Okay, let's see this candle. If it break out the trend channel or bounce back. Hold on, don't trade during the middle. Don't try to catch the flying knife. Okay, see if we close underneath ENA 21 and close underneath but we don't trade breakout. We trade breakout and retest. So it should significant, at least it goes way high, way lower here, arrive somewhere here and retest to a lower bound somewhere here and show the downward engulfing, then we'll go short from there. Otherwise, somewhere around here or around here, it can bounce back. So if it somewhere around here or here, it shows the upward engulfing, then we'll go long. Let's see. Maybe I need to wait for the next candle to see an upward engulfing. I guess this one will continue to be a bearish candle, but it will not break out the trend channel. It will probably be a stop something. Oh, we see some buyer defense at ENA 21. But as long as it's not engulfing, then does not count too much. And if it's engulfing, we would like to trade NQ because yes, the candle is relatively huge, relatively bigger. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Okay, as I arrive at the bounce back level. Okay, last minute. Billy engulf. We'll see. Last minute. If it's not engulfing, we will not count. ES. Look at ES. Hmm. Wait for the next candle. This for NQ is a star. So if it's breakout, then I probably can go short from here. But if it reverse, I can go long. Or if it keeps sideways, then look at the next candle. But ENA 21 keeps rising. So it will push it back if buyers are still controlling the market. Let's see. So it's still sideways. The market does not know where to go. Mm. Cannot go up and cannot go down. But if it arrives here, then maybe I can go long at here. No. So it's still sideways. It's okay, keep sideways. So this is stop. So for NQ, either this is consolidation and either is consolidate or you break. If it break, that means something. But if it break to the downside, then I only targeting for here, the take profit here. So maybe something and starting from here and you will retest. You are trying to retest to the lower bound. I hope if we break out, it's not like a crazy candle like this without retest, then I cannot get on board. Okay, 2 more minutes. It's still sideways, but it looks like it's defended by the trend line. Oh, look at yes, start to going up. So okay, last minute, we'll see. Oh, you got pushed back by so much. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. We really test to here because this is already a reverse. Reverse. If you engulf this one and break out, then I will quit. Oh, will you trigger my complementary order? That's where I intended to go to join the trade. Oh my God, that does not feel right. That does not feel right. But yes, it's still like retest. Let's see this one. Yeah, I see yes. Yes is clearly this is just a retest. NQ is like, oh, it's not engulfing. Let's see. Let's wait for the compression. If it will keep rising. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Upward engulfing and retest. This is the retest. Get me on board and then resume. Upward, please. Go. Things are not correct. Things are not correct. Last minute. It's already engulfing. Hmm. But ES is not. Oh, ES engulfing. NQ already engulfing. See if you bounce back. Oh, boom. So I trigger my 1000. And what's that? PA is like 157. Uh, maybe I just need to stop here. Originally I figured out, okay, I should go short because based on the bigger time frame, I should go short here. And I get kick out, stop and get a huge loss here. But eventually you get back here. If I add a complementary order somewhere here, who knows? I saw this is a resist verify resistance. So I set a complementary order here and you guys kick out. I just quit my trade somewhere around here, allow this trend line. And you bounce back. Even you do everything correct, you are still lost. So today I just lost. And when the ENA 21 and ENA 200 are cycling, something like this is not tradable. It's not a tradable market. So I will probably stop here. Okay, that's so much for today. Thank you very much. I lose 1000 for my evaluation account and lose like around 400 for my PA account. And good news is I only lose 400 in the trade copier does not work for the first trade. So I just need to stop. Okay, with the market, while the market is already showing some like showing some reverse at this trend line, it still go downstairs, going down, and hmm, it looks like it keeps going down. The first trade is like unexpected, so the complementary order, I should really fix the issue for the complementary order. So it can save a lot of trades. It can convert a lot of losing trades into a micro profit winning trade. But when you lose, it loses a huge. So I should welcome the small loss and fix the issue that I incur the complementary order, increase the position unnecessarily. Hmm. How many accounts do I have? Oh, I only have 2 accounts. Daily lose limit. I only have 2. Hmm. It's not a tradable day. Let's just stop here. Guess what? On Thursday, I need to purchase like 3 more accounts. God damn. Thank you very much.